Welcome back. We will be looking at artificial intelligence. It's very common. It's a term that is well known in the world. Let's have a look as your syllabus demands you to look at it. AI is an area of computer science that emphasizes the creation of intelligent machines that work and react like human beings. So it's imitation. AI is technology that is trying to imitate human beings. Very simple. I don't know why people want to do it because there are so many human beings, and you will never build a machine that is as efficient and as thoughtful and as complete as a human being. But people are trying it, maybe, I don't know for what reason. In any case, there are a common definition for AI is that it is a system's ability to correctly interpret external data like humans do, to learn from that data like we do, to use those learnings like we do, to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation like we do. So it's, as I said, imitation. Now, how it does is through an algorithm, right? An algorithm is essentially a sequence of instructions to perform a computation or solve a problem. So you basically write an algorithm that has the ability to do that task, and in modern cases to learn also. The algorithm has instructions of how to learn. So you teach it how to learn and to use that learning and to do the task. So when it does all of that, it has kind of replicated what a human does, but it can only do it in one aspect. So you call this learning code, and what happens is that early applications of AI included expert systems, but what is going on now is that AI is being used in all areas in terms of voice recognition, planning, learning, problem solving, etc. So you're basically teaching a system to absorb some kind of information, to learn from it, and to make a decision. So if you take something like Shazam, the audio recognition software, that software has been taught to recognize audios and to decide what exactly or what is the source of that audio, and to communicate it to whoever decided or whoever commissioned that search. So this is AI, basic AI working. So with all our devices, AI is slowly trying to play a role. We know that uh, our mobile apps, a lot of mobile apps have been put under major scrutiny, and have come into a lot of trouble, because especially Meta, Facebook, because Facebook has apparently AI and machine learning codes embedded that learns from us, from the user. And to what extent, whether it's ethical, to what extent, because they're trying to replicate a human being, the best thing to do is to observe a human being, right? You want to copy something, you observe it. And what better software there is to observe a man from all angles than Facebook? So nowadays, when you upload pictures, for example, auto captions, right? Auto captions like YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, they caption the video automatically, right? Translate works very well, where translation is presented automatically. This is done by machine learning. This is done by artificial intelligence softwares that have a lot of data to draw from, and they're using it on whatever new information they're getting and seeing what can I learn from those. What are the past lines that I have translated that are similar to the words that I'm seeing now, so that I can present that translation here. That's why sometimes you get funny translations for some components in Google Translate. So machine learning is a subset of AI where effectively AI computer code is built to mimic how the human brain works. So computer code to imitate, to mimic how the human brain works. So it's essentially code. So what is special about machine learning is that the learning part. It's specific code on how to learn, right? Because our brain learns and reacts. The learning is a big part of of humanity, and machine learning is that AI version, is the technology version of that. So there's a bunch of things that you can read about the illustrations. On that note, we are actually at the end of the um, internet or the technology developments. We looked at about 12 technology developments throughout. We're going to look at another major technological development, but it's going to be looked at in a more deeper sense, called big data. So until I see you then, good luck and thank you.